Hi, welcome to another episode of Shipper Interview. I'm your host, Wei Ping. Joining us today, we have Dr. Leong Chi An of AGTC Genomics. Welcome to the show, Dr. Leong.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. We are a technology platform company and a startup, mainly focused on developing DNA sequencing technology and also providing this service to the healthcare as well as research institutes as well. I think the technology itself is not new. Well, it just that, for the previous many years, basically, a lot of this DNA testing, whether it is from research institutes or even from hospital healthcare, a lot of it have been sent to overseas. So I think at one point, what we decided is basically, instead of sending it overseas, why don't we bring the technology here into Malaysia? And that is exactly what we did. Our main objective are mainly further develop the technologies that could actually benefit, more to the society. First of all, the investment is high, okay, because you need to set up the advanced genomics lab, which is not cheap, basically, to start with. And the second thing is that in terms of the talents and the manpower, and of course, the last part of it, which you didn't mention, is that I think now the timing is right, is mainly because, the technology in terms of computing is now matured. So I think if you combine all these resources together, so then only it will work. So I think that is probably one of the reasons for many years, it has been very difficult to put all this together, and hence the birth of the AGTC Genomics. One of the major applications have been in oncology or cancer. Technology can actually help to detect cancer early. Cancer is actually, in fact, is actually very curable. You can actually cure the cancer.
Oh, that's first.
Yes. I mean, if you are detected very early stage. In Malaysia, a lot of the cancer patients was being detected in the very late stage.
Yeah.
Right. So, and that make the treatment much more tricky and much more expensive as well. So what the technology can do is we can actually sequence the cancer cells. And based on that information, then we can actually tailor, or we can actually use the right drugs to treat these patients. We really want to create the awareness, in the country for the public as well as for the healthcare professional to actually understand what this technology is.
So what is your company's motto?
Predict, prevent, personalize with precision. We really hope is that, can see more people are actually more aware and using this technology for their benefit. Don't lose hope, definitely. There are much better option there nowadays compared to 10 or 15 years ago. Discuss this to your clinician and see what other options is out there that could actually help you.
Do not lose hope. Talk to AGTC Genomics. Thank you so much, Dr. Leong, for joining us today. So we wish you all the very best in your future endeavor. And also to all our viewers, do not lose hope. Find out more about AGTC Genomics.